Imagine standing on a beach in Indonesia, looking across a narrow stretch of water no wider than 15 miles. On your side of the water, tigers and elephants roam through dense jungle. But cross that short expanse of sea and you'll find yourself in a completely different world, one populated by marsupials and cockatoos. This invisible boundary is known as the Wallace Line, one of nature's most remarkable dividing lines. Running through Southeast Asia, the Wallace Line marks a sharp division between Asian and Australian wildlife. It crosses the Makassar Strait between Borneo and Sulawesi and splits the islands of Bali and Lombok. Though these islands sit tantalizingly close to each other, they might as well be worlds apart for many species that refuse to cross this invisible barrier. The secret lies beneath the waves. The Makassar Strait is more than just a channel of water. It's a deep ocean trench that has persisted through the ages. During Earth's ice ages, when sea levels dropped dramatically, many islands in Southeast Asia were connected by land bridges. But this particular gap never disappeared, maintaining a permanent barrier between two distinct ecological realms. Even flying creatures, which might seem immune to such obstacles, generally stay on their respective sides of the line. This isn't due to any physical barrier, but rather to the specialized adaptations these species have developed for their particular environments. Different climates, food sources, and survival strategies keep them bound to their ancestral territories. The Wallace Line's significance extends far beyond mere geographic curiosity. It played a crucial role in the development of evolutionary theory. These insights paralleled Charles Darwin's work on natural selection, helping to reshape our understanding of life on Earth. Today, the exact placement of the Wallace Line remains a subject of scientific debate. Researchers from the University of Hong Kong have suggested redrawing the boundary, placing certain land masses on the Australasian side. Such discussions remind us that science is an ongoing process, constantly refining our understanding of the natural world. The influence of this boundary extends beyond wildlife. Early European travellers noted differences not only in flora and fauna, but also in human populations on either side of the line. While modern understanding of human diversity has evolved far beyond these simple geographic distinctions, the Wallace Line remains a testament to how geographic barriers can shape the distribution of life on Earth. As our planet faces unprecedented environmental changes, the Wallace Line takes on new significance. Scientists study this natural boundary to understand how climate change and habitat loss might affect species distribution in the future. While humans have long since overcome such geographic barriers, many animals remain bound by the ancient patterns that shaped their evolution. The Wallace Line stands as a reminder of nature's complexity. It shows us that physical distance alone doesn't determine how life spreads across our planet. Sometimes, a narrow channel of water can create a stronger barrier than thousands of miles of continuous land. In studying these patterns, we gain deeper insight into the forces that have shaped life on Earth, and perhaps a better understanding of how to preserve it for future generations. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description.